The event began with the Uhuru March, where participants, mainly school learners, marched from Palm Tree Park to Zoo Park. Khomas Governor Sam Nujoma says the festival is not just entertainment, but a platform that celebrates unity and national pride.
Let us remember that all activities that will be performed here are part of the story of Namibia. Every song sung, every dance performed, every craft displayed is part of our story of resilience, unity, and hope.
Deputy Minister of Education, Innovation, Youth, Sports, Arts and Culture, Dino Ballotti, urged young people to believe in themselves and remain confident in pursuing their dreams.
With freedom comes a responsibility to protect it. We are independent and we are free for 36 years, and we must protect it. And again, I'll repeat, you are your ancestors' wildest dreams. Now, I want to tell you young people that truly I'm inspired by you. I'm not a youth anymore, I'm a retired youth. At the table, there are still some young people at the high table. But young people, I want you to believe in yourself. I truly want you to believe in yourself.
Windhoek Mayor Zacharias Onona says the festival represents unity and identity, bringing together different generations.
We are not only remembering the past, we are actively shaping its legacy. Every service we deliver, every opportunity we create, and every space we open for unity and expression reflects our duty to honor those who come before us.
He added that independence must be protected and strengthened, noting that true freedom includes economic, social, and cultural empowerment.